Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for graphic design. First, navigate to the Canva website or open the app on your device. You'll be greeted by a clean interface where you can immediately start a new design or explore existing templates. Canva provides a wide array of design types, from social media posts to presentations, making it incredibly versatile for all your creative needs. It's designed to be intuitive, so even beginners can achieve professional-looking results in just a few minutes. Once you've chosen a template, the real fun begins. You can easily click on any element to edit it. Change text, swap out images, and adjust colors to align with your vision. Canva's element library is a treasure trove, offering millions of free and premium photos, graphics, and videos. You can search for specific items, like geometric shapes or abstract backgrounds, to add a unique touch to your project. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best. Canva goes beyond basic editing with powerful features. You can upload your own media, including photos and logos, to personalize your designs further. Explore various photo editing tools, like filters and adjustments, to enhance your visuals. For teams, Canva offers seamless collaboration. You can invite others to view or edit your projects, streamlining the design process. This makes it perfect for businesses or groups working on shared creative endeavors, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. After perfecting your design, it's time to share it with the world. Canva allows you to download your creations in various formats, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, depending on your needs. You can also share directly to popular social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook with just a few clicks. For physical copies, Canva Print offers high-quality printing services delivered right to your door. You can even present your designs directly from Canva, making it a comprehensive solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.